YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got shaving cream for you today. What am I going to use this on? $1 hacks from the 99-cent store? What? Check it out. Alright guys, let's get started. So $1 hacks from the dollar store or 99-cent store, whatever, Dollar Tree, whatever you have in your area. You can pick up so many different items that you can use, not just for what it's supposed to be used for, but for other things. So let's start off with the shaving cream. Don't go out to Target or Walmart, anywhere else. Just go to the dollar store. $1 for shaving cream. You're not using it to shave your legs. Men are not using it to shave their face, but you're going to use it to clean. I know that sounds crazy. But guess what? It works. My mom actually showed this to me. She found it online. And oh my goodness, I just cleaned out my beauty room and I had so much makeup on my white furniture and it just brilliantly took it all off. It is crazy. Well, usually, yes, you can use like Clorox and clean off your white furniture, or you can use shaving cream and you can use it on non-white products. So what you would do is you're going to take a towel, you're going to take the shaving cream and just kind of slightly go in on it. So it looks like that. It's just the foam. I took my phone holder that I use on my makeup table, so sometimes I get makeup on it. Now I did go in on it a little bit and put more makeup, but I just wanted to show you how well this works. So I'm going to take that towel with the makeup, as you can see there's already makeup on it, with the shaving cream, and I'm just going to clean this off. Look at that. It just takes it right off. Look at that. Perfect. Voila. It's all gone. And this works on anything. My mom cleans her entire bathroom with shaving cream. I know it sounds absolutely cuckoo, but let me tell you, it works so good. I couldn't believe how well it cleaned everything in my room, in my bathroom. It is brilliant. So shaving cream, not just for legs. You can use it to clean. I know. Crazy, right? All right, so now let's get to the next one, is soap brows, eyebrows, using soap to keep your eyebrows in place. I know a lot of people on YouTube have used this trick, but everybody goes out and buys the expensive soap. Yes, maybe it works better for them, but this works just as good for myself. And I like the clear bars of soap just because I don't want the white residue for regular white bars of soap. But this one is called Pears, I think. So I just bought it at the 99-cent store. It's easy. All you would do is open it up. I always keep it in one of those travel cases. Those are 99 cents, and you can get those even at Target or Walmart or anywhere. And you just take like any spoolie. This is my Benefit brow pencil with a spoolie on the end, and you wet it with your setting spray, and then you just do that, and you just comb your eyebrows. It's really simple and easy, but my point being is that you don't have to get a soap from an expensive store. You can actually just get it from the 99-cent store, and it works the same. My other find was these sponges, and you get 3 of them. They're called Scrub Buddies. And my point is you just want something with a rough texturized surface. And what you would do is you would take like your makeup brush and you would clean it with your normal, I use Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo to clean my brushes. And then I would just use that and scrub it, and it gets it nice and clean. Beauty blender, it works perfectly. You just sit there and scrub your beauty blender. I love it. So 99-cent store, and you get 3 of them. So it's a really good deal. You can use one to, as I just dropped it, you can use one to clean your bathroom with or your makeup tables with, and you can use one to clean your brushes with. Or you get 3 of them, so you can choose wisely on what you use. Another thing is, look at this nice little chrome silver water bottle. I love this. So I like to keep this on my beauty table because sometimes I forget to wet my sponge, or sometimes it starts to dry up and I want it a little bit more damp to set my makeup better. So I'll just take the beauty blender and just squirt it. Works perfectly. Say you want to, I don't have an eyeshadow one here. This is just a Tarte brush, but let's just say this was an eyeshadow brush. You would just lightly dampen it, and then you're good to go. Just, get more pigment out of your makeup. So $1 water bottle, you don't need to go spend more than that on a water bottle. So $1 water bottle. The next thing is a dish. This is like a candle holder dish. And yes, you can buy these at Michael's. I have a smaller one from Michael's, and it ends up being with a coupon like $2. But this one's $1, and look how big. My other one's really small. So this one's nice and big. I really like this because it's nice and round, and it has like the little edges so it won't seep out. You still don't want to do that, but it kind of protects it that way. And the smaller one, I can't put as many on there. So if I wanted to use a foundation, a liquid contour, a liquid blush, a liquid highlighter, whatever you use that are liquid products that you don't want to use your hand, your concealer, however you want to do it, you have a wide enough space to do it. So great find from the 99-cent store. Here is a little tray. It's a little serving tray that you would probably put like tea or cookies or something on there. But I like it for makeup because you can put, you know, your, let's just say your bar of soap. You can put your highlighters. You can put anything on this little dish. You can use it for anything. I just love the fact, and it's beautiful. Like I can display this on my makeup counter because I have all white and silver, and it looks pretty, and it was 99 cents, so you can't go wrong with that. Another item was getting a cup from the dollar store. Any kind of pretty little looking cylinder type cup where you can put your brushes in, and you could put those little marbles in there. They sell them at the dollar store as well, and it helps raise it up a little, and it keeps your brushes like nice and organized, but that works really good. These little stickers I bought from Hobby Lobby, and I just put that on myself, so you can decorate it, you can make it look pretty. But the point being is you don't have to go out and buy expensive makeup brush holders. You could just use a cup. So that's my point, and you can find that at the dollar store, which is nice. My last thing is I always talk about making sure you eat your macros and making sure you stay within your macronutrients and having your proteins, your carbs, and your fats in one meal. Well, a lot of times people will do their oatmeal, but that's just carbohydrates. You still need your protein. They don't have time to make eggs. They have to bring their breakfast to work. Well, at the dollar store, they have, it's called Easy Egg Which. Easy Egg Which, and it makes it a perfect amount of egg. I'm going to show you in this video how it works. So you take one egg, just crack it wherever you can, and you're just going to put it in that pan. The best part is you don't need anything to spray in there. You don't have to use coconut oil or anything. You can if you want, but say you're going to work, you could just do it like that. And then you just put it in there. Then you're gonna just take the spoon and you're just gonna kind of break up the egg yolk a little, just like that. And then once you're done, use any kind of seasoning you want. For this purpose, I'm just gonna use pepper. And you just take the top of it, and you slide it in here first into the hole, and then it just lays right on top, just like that. It's really simple. Then you just pop it into the microwave, and press 1 minute. All it takes is 1 minute. Now it's all done. 60 seconds later, you take it out. Just take off the cap. It's really easy. And look at that. Voila, you have a perfect egg. So simple. In 1 minute, no ingredients needed. Okay, so did you guys like that? So look at that. You get 2 of those containers, and this is what it looks like. Look at that. Voila. It's a perfect egg right there. And the good part is you can take this with you before you go to work, or you can take the empty one with 1 egg, bring it to your work kitchen, and then just pop it in there because you don't need any other ingredients unless you want salt and pepper, which I'm pretty sure if you have a kitchen, you have salt and pepper there. So it's really convenient and easy, and you can even bring another one to have one for lunch. And it just makes 1 perfect egg in there, and it fits nicely on a little sandwich if you want to do some kind of a protein bread or whole grain bread or English muffin. Those are good. They make double protein English muffins now. You can buy those and take 1 egg, and you have your perfect amount of macros. All right, guys, that's it. Sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I've been under the weather, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please comment below if you want to see any more videos like this. If there's anything else from the 99-cent store you'd like to see, my mom and I love shopping there. And please don't forget to check out my other videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!